Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get or how to apply for a PayPal credit card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here in this video, we are just going to follow this uh, support article of PayPal and let's just refresh and basically here it will show you how you can get your debit card from PayPal. So simply all you need to do is just to log in into your account and basically you can start requesting your debit card from your wallet. So here we can see exactly how to get the debit card. So you will need simply to go to your PayPal and then you go to the plus and basically in the home page you can find it there. Or you can simply go to your wallet and from there you can find your old card. You click on set up PayPal debit card. You add your personal information and of course your social security number and then you will need just to agree and accept the term of usage and then you click on next and you review the terms, of course you agree, and basically now you have your card. And if you want to get the physical card you will need just to go again to your cards. So basically from your wallet you will need to go to your cards and in the menu here you will find request the physical card. By clicking on the debit card, you will find get physical card, and by that you will be able to get your physical card, and you will need just to wait from 7 to business day, and you will get your card. Even if you don't have your physical debit card, you will be able to purchase things online even without your physical debit card. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.